What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the P20 Lite and the Y7 2K18. And you can see both the devices are in front of us and we have a set of similar applications of both the devices, and I will do this test in two rounds. The first round will be to check out the speed of both the devices, and in the next round we will be having a look at the RAM management test of both the devices. The P20 Lite is having 3 GB of RAM. This is not the 4 GB RAM model, and it is running on Kirin 659 processor. And the Y7 is also having 3 GB of RAM and it is running on Snapdragon 430. So without any further delay, let's get started. And you can see there is no app running in the background, and let's start the stopwatch and right away begin our speed test. So both the devices have started, and right now we are opening the first set of applications, and you can see they are almost head to head. There is no difference. Actually Y7, it looks very well optimized. You can clearly see it is actually doing it very fast, and I have been very much disappointed with the results on the P20 Lite. I have posted already many videos and speed tests too. You can check them out. This cell phone is not performing up to the mark. Maybe it is due to some software updates it needs to fix this issue. Actually, it's not very great experience to see this set. Actually, it is having a Kirin 659 processor and it is not performing that well, you can see. And still Y7 Prime is going ahead and P20 Lite is completely failing. You just saw it took too much time to just complete this lapset process. And right now we are on the gaming section on the Y7, and P20 Lite is also trying to catch up, and let's see who wins this first round. This is going to be very interesting now. Actually, both the devices have come very close to each other, and let's see what happens. And still Y7 is actually a bit quicker, and let's see what happens on the next game. And this game, actually the P20 Lite has taken the lead, and we are moving to the pinout, and only one game is remaining after that, which is the Asphalt 8. This time the Y7, on Y7 actually this pinout failed to open. I have already made mention of that in my previous videos. And now we are on the Asphalt 8, and let's see which device opens it faster. And right now both are on the same page. Let's see what happens. And you can see P20 Lite actually has won this. That's very interesting to see, and it has completed the test in 1 minute and 49 seconds, while for Y7 it is 1 minute and 55 seconds. So it was failing in the gaming section, but it was taking complete lead in earlier rounds. Let's start the next round now, which is the RAM management test, and see what these devices offer us in the RAM management. And you can see both are going great. For the built-in applications, they are present in the background, and even the Facebook and everything is just present in the background. Let's see what happens. And you can see P20 Lite is again reloading the YouTube. So let's see what happens. And actually Y7 is very fast. You can see all the applications just open in a moment, and now we are on to the pinout and final applications. That is very interesting to see. And P20 Lite again reopening the Temple Run 2, while the Y7 has completed the test in 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Oh my gosh, this is very interesting results here. You can see it is Snapdragon 430 with 3 GB of RAM, and this set is very well optimized to the things. And P20 Lite actually taking too much time. That's a complete failure. That's not what you expect from these devices. Actually, this device is almost $350 and the Y7 is almost $180, and there is a lot of difference in the price range, and this device is not performing very well. Let's see how much time does it take to complete this final game, and it has taken a total time of 3 minutes and 8 seconds almost, which is almost more than 30 seconds for this device to complete the RAM management round. So that's very disappointing from the P20 Lite, and hands-on to Y7 for such great optimization. And P20 Lite needs future updates to fix these issues. Actually, it needs updates to perform better. Actually, the hardware is great, the software is not very well optimized. That's what I think, and you can tell me what you think about this device in the comments down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.